channel. For today's video, we are doing a good old-fashioned makeup haul. So I recently went shopping to Ulta. I ordered some things online. Some things have actually been like chilling here since the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty that happened this fall. That is how much out of the game I am nowadays with the baby and just like all this other stuff. I have accumulated quite a few products, some old products, some new products. I wanted to do a little haul with you guys and show you some of the things that I recently purchased. If you guys are new around here, welcome. My name is Andrea. I typically do videos all about beauty, sometimes some fashion, sometimes a little bit of luxury. So if those are topics that interest you, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell button so you are aware every single time I post a new video. Let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, a lot of the stuff is going to be from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, which was a couple of weeks ago, but it's been sitting here. I was waiting for some things to come in because I ordered them online, and some of the stuff just has been chilling here. So first up, we have 3 of the Kylie lip kits. It has been quite some time since I have picked up any one of the lip kits. I do remember when I first tried them out, I actually really liked them. I feel like the lip liners are both creamy and soft, and the formula of the lip liner wasn't too drying on my lips. And then I know that she recently reformulated it, so I had gotten rid of my other Kylie ones and I picked up 3 kits. This first one I got is Dolce K. I'll do swatches here. If not, I'll try to do it at the end. But it's this beautiful kind of like taupey brown. This is a newer shade that I have not tried. This is the shade Autumn, and this one kind of looks a little bit of like a peachy kind of color, maybe a hint of like deeper rose. And I just thought that this was kind of pretty for fall. Ooh, that's very pretty. A very soft coral, little bit of a peach. So that is Autumn. The last one I got is 20. This one I thought was perfect for fall as well. Oh, on the tube it's coming out a little bit more like rosewoody. Ooh, but on that lip liner it looks very nice. Yeah, like a little bit of a maybe like pinky berry. So 20 Autumn Dolce K. Those are the shades right there. And like I said, I really like her formula of lip liners and liquid lipsticks. So which one by Kylie Cosmetics, but I think the lip products are really, really good. Next, I picked up a repurchase item that I've already started using it. This is from Milani. This is the Make It Last Original Natural Finish 16-hour setting spray. This is a fantastic setting spray. Like it says, it does hold up for about 16 hours. I use this whenever I am going to like special events that I want my makeup to last a lot longer. I genuinely think it keeps it looking like fresh, like I just finished applying my makeup for a lot longer. A lot of people don't believe in setting sprays. I do, and I think this one works really well. I love the size of it, and the price is really good. I think they had these like 40% off, which is just like an even bigger steal, but even the price normally is really, really good. So pick this one up. We got a couple products from Benefit. I picked up the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is in the shade 5 Warm Blackish Brown. It's a really good pencil to fill in your brows. This is a 12-hour wear. I think it really does last a very long time, and I love the consistency of this. It's a little bit more oily than like an Anastasia Brow Wiz or like a NYX brow pencil, but it's not like waxy feeling, and I think that like composition of this product just makes it last longer on the brows. I really like the way that this creates like feather-like strokes, and then just to fill in the spark areas. I only started using this year when Benefit sent me a PR package, and I loved it. So I had to pick it up, and it was on sale as well. And then the other Benefit product I picked up is the roller eyeliner. I love this guy. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I love this eyeliner. I use it a ton. Got a really fine felt tip, and it just creates the most beautiful strokes. Just super black and just lasts a really long time. I love this. All right, I picked up 2 MAC blushes. I did have to get rid of a ton of MAC blushes just because they were so old that it just was not good to keep them in my collection anymore. I repurchased one of them, and then I purchased a newer one that I haven't tried. So this first one that I got is from their matte collection, and this is the shade Melba. This is like a peachy kind of tone right there. You can barely see it. And then the next one I got is Naturally Flawless, and this one is a mineralized one. It kind of looks a little bit peachy here too, now that I think about it. That might be a little bit light. If you can even see it on here. So the bottom one is Melba right here, and the top one that you can barely see is Naturally Flawless. I don't know why on the website it looked a lot more pigmented. Definitely like a peach tone, but a lot more pigmented. I may actually have to return this one just because that is That's really light. I don't even know if it's going to show up on my skin. Love the MAC blushes. They're so good, both the mineralized and the matte ones. Highly would recommend them. You know you have a problem when you repurchase the same product after you have already repurchased it. This is from Origins. This is the Original Refreshing Eye Cream. I actually have this already and I am still like just barely using it. I really love this one to just brighten up the under eye area because it does have a nice little like salmon kind of tint, but I still have this that is like just full because I feel like I repurchased it thinking that I didn't have another one, and then I repurchased it again thinking the exact same thing. But this is such a good eye cream. Highly would recommend it. I may still keep it, just when I run out of this one I can use this one. Again, I may just return it. We'll see, but either way it's a very, very good one. Okay, this next one I know for sure I don't have, but it sounded really, really good. This is from Kors. This is the Santorini Grape Poreless Skin Cream. So this is supposed to be a moisturizer, a lightweight cream that clears the way for poreless looking skin with antioxidant Santorini Grape for balance and all-day hydration. So this is supposed to help with pores but also give you all-day hydration. I'm all about that. It comes in this package. Let me see if it smells like anything. It smells a little bit like grapes, I guess. So that is the consistency right there. I'm very excited to try this out. I definitely am one of those people who has to hydrate my skin. I have combo skin, so sometimes I have like really dry patches on the parameters of my face and then it's kind of oily in the center. So I do still need to hydrate before I go in with any makeup, but I also have pores and texture. So if I can have a product that helps with minimizing pores and also giving me hydration all day, I am all about it. Just finished up my moisturizer for day that I use before makeup application, so I'm gonna see how this one works. Hopefully it's not too thick, and hopefully it turns out well. I get a lot of promises, so I will keep you posted whether it delivers or not. Two more items I repurchased. This is from Morphe. This is the Continuous Setting Mist. I really like this as a setting spray, but also just kind of like a refresher spray. It's got a very, very fine mist on it. So you can see right there. So it just sits so nicely on the skin. I do still think that this makes your makeup look fresher for longer, so like a setting spray normally would, but I love this just for touching up or when my makeup is looking dull or I want a little bit more life and dimension. I use this because it's just really fine, but I use this to set my makeup as well, and I think it does make my makeup last longer. Really like this one too. And then the other repurchase that I picked up is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. This is latex and formaldehyde free. You guys know about this product if you have seen any other one of my beauty videos. This is like a ride or die product for me. I've been using it for years. It just works so well. The strip lash turns like lightish blue clear once it's ready to apply onto your lashes, and it just lasts all day and holds so well. I prefer this over the black one. I don't know why. It's a good one. It's a #1 selling glue for a reason. Yes, Kiss Lash Glue all the way. Picked up 2 MAC products. I think these were both on sale as well. I don't know if they were part of like the daily deals or if it was just on sale, because sometimes they have like 40% off. I picked up one of their lip pencils. This is Spice. I feel like this is like an OG lip pencil. I feel like a lot of people for like a long time have been using it. I don't know why I just didn't. So that is the shade right there. It'd be pinky brownie nude, like a rosewood almost. And I picked up a luster glass lipstick. I am not really a cream sheen luster glass lipstick kind of girl, but I have seen this shade all over TikTok. It's called Thanks It's MAC. It looks stunning. Really beautiful color, just like a nice nude. Okay, I can totally see why. And when you apply it, here you go. It's just like a soft, like pink, like a very light pinky nude, not too pink, not too nude. And I can totally see why this is popular now, especially because of like Alex Earl with the like lip liner and then just like the YSL kind of like gloss, like sheer balm on top. I could totally see why that's popular. It's a really, really beautiful color. This is the first luster glass lipstick I have bought from MAC. I love the color, so we'll see how it wears. I'm normally like a matte lipstick kind of girl because I like my lipsticks to last a long time on the lips, but this color is stunning. I think the combination of these two, it's gonna look just so last good. 3 products because my battery's about to die anyway. Picked up another beauty blender. You guys know if you've seen any of my beauty videos or if you follow me on Instagram, the black one, the Pro, is my favorite. I don't know what it is about it. I feel like it absorbs less product, but it like spreads out the product better than the pink one does. Maybe it's more dense, not 100% sure. Beauty blender was on sale, 50% off, so I had to snag another one of those. And then I picked up a Power Matte Lip Pigment from NARS. I posted this deal on my Instagram and then I completely forgot about it, and a lot of good shades were sold out, but this is the shade Bad Guy, and this is a nude because of course you guys know I would go for that kind of color. It's like a nude kind of peach. Yeah, like a little bit more peach than it is pink. Looks really, really pretty. Might be a tad light. Well, maybe, who knows? I don't know. We'll have to try it out. But yeah, I heard really good things about these Power Matte Lip Pigments. I love liquid lipsticks. I love matte lipsticks. Anything that's going to last on my lips a really long time, I'm all for. So yeah, just thought I would try this one out. And then the last thing I picked up is from LA Girl. This is the Shade Shifter Duo Chrome Eyeshadow. I am so excited for this. I saw these. Ooh, that's a lot smaller than I thought. I saw these on sale. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Saw these on sale. They were like 30% off. Like, you know how Ulta sometimes does those like big bundles that are on sale. And this color just looked so delicious. I think it was like oh my God. Look at this color. Can you see that? I know I'm like holding so awkward. Oh my God. So that's what it looks like in the pan. And then this is what it looks like on my finger. Holy cow. So this is a duochrome, and this is supposed to lean purple and blue. Wow, I am obsessed. Look at that. That is stunning. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this out. I have to like try it out right now. So this is like a purple and a blue. This is called Topaz. This looks so beautiful. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Just like really, really beautiful. So yeah, so I saw this duochrome on sale. I think it was literally like $3. And I'm like, what a fun color that is. I have to pick it up. Snagged it. This applied really nicely just now with my finger, and I don't have anything on there. I didn't put like, I don't know, any primer or anything like that. This looks really, really pretty. So I'm definitely gonna have to try this out. They have a bunch of other colors as well. I just figured I would pick one up to see how it worked and how I liked it, because sometimes, like, you know, swatching it is really good and then applying it on your eyes, it just doesn't look right. So I'm so excited to create a makeup look with that one. But if you guys have tried any other shades or something, let me know, because that swatch, oh my God, that literally took my breath away. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. That is my quick little haul that I did at Ulta, picking up a couple of things. Leave it down in the comments what's something that you recently picked up that you have been loving. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a review on any of the products that I picked up, whether it's on my Instagram, here, on TikTok. Otherwise, I can do a video like testing new products or something like that, and definitely have it up for you guys. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all that stuff's gonna be left down below for you guys, as well as coupon codes to help you save some money. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see more hauls. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Stay safe, and I will see you all in my next one.